Hi guys, let's check out the hs720r 3-axis gimbal brushless motor folding camera drone with GPS. Okay, do note that on the compass calibration you want to spin it clockwise instead of counterclockwise. That's all I had to do. All right, so here we go. It's very windy, way too windy to be flying a drone, but I'm gonna fly anyway just because. Here we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Okay, so when I tried to calibrate it counterclockwise, I had toilet bowl. I spun it clockwise, now I have no toilet bowl. Anyway, let's get it up there and get it flying. Look at that, that is super cool. Not even sure what speed. Okay, I've got it at high speed, or I wouldn't have been able to fight that wind, I'm sure. Speedy little drone. It's 24 degrees out today, guys. Remember, this is a over 250 grams, so you need to be registered. If you want to buy this drone and fly it, just make sure you're registered. Alright, I'm going to take it out a little ways and do our first return to home. See what happens there. The wind's going to carry it away. Okay, here we go. First return to home. Is it going to spin around? It's coming back. Super windy, so if it doesn't hit the landing pad, we're going to say it was because of this high wind. Look at that, super cool. The hs720r is holding its own in that amount of wind. The trees are really moving. There's the landing pad, there's the drone. It's really close for being so windy. Gosh darn it. Look at that, very cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop it there just by pressing return to home again. Look at that thing fight the wind. That's nice, guys. You can see them weeds and trees moving like I do here. But that's impressive that this drone's even flying around in that. Very cool. All right, let's get it back up there and take a couple snapshots and maybe a little bit of video. I'm not sure how good it's going to be in all this wind. It's going to be rocky, I'm sure. But we're going to do it anyway. Okay, camera buttons over here. And take our first snapshot there. There's one. I'm going to look back into the field. There's two. Okay, let's go ahead and start the video by pressing the button over here on the right top. You hear that noise, you're started. Okay, I'm going to do going to switch it back down to low and go into a slow 360. Nice. You can really make it creep, go real slow. Very cool. Guys, this video is not going to be too much longer than this because my hands are froze. I need my hands to control the drone, so I'm going to do maybe a couple more return to homes after this, and then we're going to end this video. Apologies. I will do a how to set this up indoors since we're into winter weather now. It'll be much easier for me to do it inside, and you might be able to understand me without chatter. Okay, here we go. I'm going to stop the video. All right, and then we're gonna go out in the field a little ways. We're gonna kick it back up to high, switch in the middle. We have low, medium, and high. All right, let's get her over there a little ways, and then I will hit return to home. Return to home initiated. The wind, it is fighting the wind. There it comes. Coming home quickly. Wow, impressive. It's fighting those high winds. Look at that. In super high winds, that drone would just about land on the landing pad there, it looks like to me. My goodness, I'm gonna stop it, but look at that. That would have hit the landing pad. Very impressive. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and land it completely by hitting the auto land if I can here. The wind will allow it. Okay, I knew I was gonna miss the pad there, but I just wanted to land it. Then we're gonna take off again and do one more return to home. Oh, look at this wind. Now if that's not a testament to the drone, I don't know what is. Here we go. One more. That is super cool. Very impressed that I'm flying this around in this kind of wind. Okay. Good enough. Last return to home because I'm cold. That's beautiful. Beautiful view up there. All those fields. Beautiful farmland. Look at that. Very impressive. There's the drone. There's the helipad. Really close again. Very nice. I'm impressed. And that amount of wind got me back that close. Okay, I stopped to return to home there so it wouldn't land on its own. Wow, guys. Super cool. 720R. hs720r. A Holy Stone. Check them out. Close enough. The wind didn't want it to land. Okay, there we go, guys. hs720r by Holy Stone. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.